Welcome to today's deep dive. So picture this. You walk into a massive sports bar, right? And there are dozens of screens flawlessly playing, totally different live games.
Right, and you just expect it to work. Nobody thinks about the plumbing.
Exactly. But our mission today is to decode the invisible infrastructure that makes that happen. It is a highly specific, heavy-duty piece of pro AV technology. Let me get the name right. It's the Vitec, formerly Exterity AVSTR-G4418, AvediaStream TVgateway G4418.
Yeah, which is a massive mouthful of a name. But it's so important because it's the crucial link between traditional satellite broadcast and modern internal networks.
Okay, let's unpack this. Because I'm trying to visualize what the G4418 actually does. Is it, think of it as a massive digital funnel that catches signals falling from space and perfectly slices them up into manageable internet traffic for an entire building?
Well, you're close. But I'd say it's less of a funnel and more like a really high-speed post office for data.
Oh, post office, okay.
Yeah, because it receives these massive bundled shipments of data straight from a satellite. Then it opens them up, stamps a specific IP address on every single video frame, and routes them through the building's existing network cables.
Wow, okay. And the specs on this are wild.
Right. And what's fascinating here is the sheer density. A single blade, which is just a slim server card, you slide into a chassis packs 8 independent DVB-SS2 tuners.
And DVB-SS2, that's the international standard for satellite, right?
Exactly. So it pulls down 8 completely distinct satellite feeds all at once, handling SD and HD streams. But the real magic is how it manages that traffic. It filters what are called PIDs, or packet identifiers.
Wait, hold on. Why do we care about packet identifiers? I mean, why not just pass the whole broadcast signal straight through?
Because if you didn't filter the PIDs, you would literally crash the internet for everyone in the facility.
Wait, really? Just from TV signals?
Yeah. A satellite feed has tons of irrelevant data. Alternate audio tracks, subchannels nobody is watching. The gateway filters all that out, so only the exact video feed you actually need travels down the wire. That is the whole breakthrough of IPTV. Routing video over standard network cables instead of running thousands of feet of coaxial cable, it keeps the cost per channel super low.
Okay, but let me push back on this for a second. So what does this all mean? Is this just absolute overkill for someone's living room? Why do we need physical satellite tuners at all today?
I mean, I hear that all the time.
Right. If everything is moving to cloud streaming, isn't this heavy-duty physical gateway just an expensive middleman?
Well, that's the exact question IT directors ask right before they realize the realities of commercial scale.
Oh, so it's a scale issue.
100%. If a sports bar with, say, 100 TVs tries to pull 100 individual high-definition streams directly from the cloud, their internet bandwidth is going to completely choke.
Oh, yeah, that makes total sense. Every TV fighting for the same Wi-Fi.
Right. But a gateway like the G4418 pulls the signal down exactly once via satellite and then distributes it locally. Zero buffering.
Okay, so looking at the source here, HDTV Supply, they cater to those massive setups. Sports bars running anywhere from 8 to 160 TVs. But they also sell a ton to government facilities.
Yeah, and that is exactly why this hardware is TAA compliant.
Which means it's manufactured or substantially transformed in the U.S. or approved allied countries, right?
Exactly. It's a strict legal requirement if you want to secure government contracts via federal GSA schedules. These environments demand absolute 204/7 reliability.
And because it has to be flawless, the buyers only care about results. There's actually this funny humanizing detail from the reviews on HDTV Supply that proves this.
Oh yeah, the reviews are definitely eliminating.
Right, so it has a solid 4.7 rating. This one buyer, Steve J., he loves the competitive price point. But then another buyer, John M., left a review saying the staff was, quote, less than friendly, but answered my question.
That is classic.
I just laughed at that. It shows that in the world of high-end pro AV tech, getting the exact technical answer for a complex video matrix completely overrides pleasant small talk.
Oh, absolutely. When you're wiring up a secure government facility, precise specs trump pleasantries every single time.
Definitely.
And, that brings it right back to you listening to this. Next time you're sitting in a venue, effortlessly watching a dozen different live satellite feeds without a single glitch, you'll know that a heavy-duty gateway device like the G4418 is the invisible workhorse making it happen.
It really does change how you look at a wall of TVs. But it leaves me with one final question for you to mull over.
Okay.
As IP networks become infinitely faster and capable of handling unlimited data, will physical satellite tuners eventually disappear entirely in favor of direct cloud streaming? Or will local gateways, those high-speed sorting facilities bridging the sky and the network, always remain the ultimate standard for commercial reliability?
It's a great question.
Something to think about the next time you catch a game.